In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize navigation menus on Wix Studio. Having a clear and organized navigation menu is crucial for any website, as it helps your visitors find the information they need quickly and efficiently. So, let's dive into how you can add and perfectly tailor your menus to enhance your website's user experience. First, to get started with adding a menu to your website, you're going to want to locate the Add Elements button, which you'll find on the left side of your editor. Once you've clicked on that, a range of options will appear. You'll need to select Menu and Search from these options. Now, you'll see a variety of menu styles to choose from. Depending on your website's design and your navigation needs, you can choose from horizontal menus, vertical menus, or the more space-conscious hamburger menus. If you're looking for something with a lot of customization potential, horizontal menus are the way to go. These allow you to adjust every facet of their appearance, tailoring them to fit seamlessly into your website's design. Vertical menus are great if you prefer menus that sit neatly on the side of your web page. And if you're after a more minimalist design, the hamburger menu is perfect. It stays unobtrusive until clicked, at which point the menu items expand and become visible. Once you've selected the menu type that suits your website, click on the menu and simply drag it to whatever position on the page you prefer. This intuitive approach allows you to see exactly how your menu fits into your existing layout in real time, giving you the flexibility to make instant adjustments as needed. Now that you have your menu positioned, you can start adding items to it. Begin by selecting the menu you have just added and then click on Manage Menu. Look for the option that says Plus Add Item at the bottom. This will allow you to start building out your menu structure. When it comes to adding items, you have several choices. Main pages are, of course, standard site pages you might typically expect to see in a menu. However, if you're running dynamic content or using app pages like product pages from Wix stores, you can add those as well. Additionally, you can include various kinds of links. These could be external websites, internal page anchors, or even clients' contact details. For more complex menu structures, consider adding drop-down containers. These appear when a user hovers over a menu item and can hold various sub-menu items or even additional content that enhances your visitor's navigation experience. By following these steps, you'll have a fully personalized navigation menu that aligns perfectly with your website's design and user needs. I hope this guide was helpful for you, and you're now ready to create a more intuitive browsing experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.